Check low, check low.
നോക്കിക്ക വേറെ കുട്ടികൾക്കൊക്കെ നല്ല കയ്യിലൊക്കെ കിട്ടി മാത്രം എന്റെ കയ്യില്ല കുഴപ്പമില്ല
Ladies. Ada खुशबू बोले जिस्म जले मचलती हुई राग जले महकती हुई चांद जिस्म जैसे खिलता पानी जिस्म जैसे सूरज की गहरी किरण जिस्म तमशा हुआ दिल का शोर नशी संगली संगली देखी तो मैं देखता रह गया शाम दो और दोनों ही दो आतिशा आंखें या किसी सुरमगी सुरमगी सुंदरी मनमोहनी मन तो मैं देखता रह गया शाम किसी सुरमगी सुरमगी देखी तो मैं देखता रह गया शाम दो और दोनों ही दो आतिश आँखें है गले के वो दो बाब हैं आँखें उनको कम या कहूँ ख्वाब हैं
Well, I'm sure you all are impressed with the collection, right? Yes, it's a very quite interesting. Ladies and gentlemen, here we have the gorgeous lady, Miss Inia. She have won. I'm sure that we all are familiar with her. നമുക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും proud ആയിട്ട് പറയാം that we have an actress who have represented like most of the South Indian films from our land, from God's own country. And here we have beautiful Miss Inia. She have won the Tamil Nadu State Award, Film State Award for the Best Actress for her movie, and she is also a charming entrepreneur. So I would say she is a true inspiration for all of the young ladies. We all can look up to her. She is an actor, a dancer, and whatnot. Yes, the most gorgeous lady, Miss Inia. And yes, as we have all the beautiful ladies lined up, now it's time to see the hands and brains behind the entire work. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together as we have the designer, Mr. Naushad. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും ഈ കളക്ഷൻ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടെങ്കിൽ now is the time to appreciate it. So with a huge loud round of applause, let's welcome designer Mr. Naushad. Actually captured his work in many of the TV shows and films. And here we present the beautiful collection of Mr. Naushad representing Ladies Planet. And ladies and gentlemen, now it is time to see the art behind these models. They have all walked it. And here we have Mr. Jude. He was working. He is the brain behind that. I request all three of you to hit the ramp. Yes, so here you have the designer, the show choreographer, and our showstopper. So with a huge, loud round of applause, Nallari Kayari, we have liked the entire collection. And ladies, you all look gorgeous. Thank you so much. For the designer and for the stylist. Sure, we don't need a further introduction about Shiaz Karim.
Onella Tanti.